Hey, what's up, guys? Today, I want to share with you how I managed to score over 90s on my exams with just one day of studying. Maybe around 5-6 hours if I counted correctly. Are you shocked? I know some of you might be thinking, hey, I can pass my exams without even studying, but I'm talking about scoring 90 with just one day of preparation. I shouldn't mention this, but my teachers had a different teaching approach. Instead of regular classes, they provided us with PDFs before the exams. Surprisingly, that turned out to be beneficial for me. Why? Because I knew just the thing. Now, with only one day left for preparation, here's what I did. I opened up chatgpt. By now, I assume you know what chatgpt is, but just in case you don't, it's a tool where you can ask questions, and it provides solutions based on how well you ask the question. So, getting to the point. I copied and pasted the content for each topic provided by my teacher and asked chatgpt to simplify it into easy. To remember key points, since my exam paper wouldn't have any questions worth more than 10 marks, I asked for 5 points for 5 mark questions and 3 points for 3 mark questions. I hope you're getting the idea. If I found the solution provided by ChatGPT difficult to understand or learn, I asked it to simplify it further until it became easier for me to grasp. This technique works exceptionally well for theoretical subjects, but what about logical subjects like mathematics? Well, my friends, for logical subjects, I could either ask ChatGPT to explain the concepts or make it act like a tutor. It's really as easy as it sounds. You just have to give it a try. Trust me, it works. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Until next time, see ya.